Hello, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how you can enable Google Authenticator app for your Instagram accounts. So to start, you click on any browser of your choice on your computer. Then in the address bar, you type the Instagram web portal address. Then you log in with your Instagram username and password. After logging in, you can now access your Instagram web portal. This is my Instagram web portal. So to enable Google Authenticator app for my Instagram accounts, I click on more and I click on settings. Under settings, I click on privacy and security. Then I scroll through to under two-factor authentication. I click edit two-factor authentication. Here it will prompt me to choose my mode of authentication. Here you can choose a mobile phone or an authenticator app to enable two-factor authentication for your Instagram account. So here I will choose Authenticator app. And bear in mind, when you are using Instagram web portal, you cannot enable Authenticator app using the web portal. So to enable it, you must install Instagram app on your phone through that you can enable Google Authenticator app or any authenticator app for your Instagram account. So I've already installed my Instagram app on my phone. So to install it, you can install from Play Store or App Store. So this is my mobile phone. I've already installed Instagram web portal or Instagram app on my phone. And again, I have already also installed Google Authenticator app on my phone. So to install Google Authenticator app, on the top you click on the link, find more information or watch the video. Top, find the step that you can use to install Google Authenticator app on your phone. So I've already installed Google Authenticator app and my Instagram web app on my phone. So I click on my Instagram mobile app, then I log in. With my username and password using the mobile app. You can enable Authenticator app for your Instagram accounts. I have logged in my Instagram accounts on my mobile phone. I click on home, and I click on more, then I click on settings, then I click on security, then I click on two-factor authentication. So to prompt me to add extra security to your accounts, I click on get started, then I enable Authenticator app by switching the bar beside it. Then I click on next to get code for my Instagram accounts using Google Authenticator app. To link my Instagram account to my Google Authenticator app I've already installed on my phone. So I click on next. It will prompt me to choose login that I will use if I will use Authenticator app. So I have already installed Google Authenticator. I choose open with Authenticator app. I click on just once. This will open Google Authenticator app on my phone. I click on get started. I link my accounts to my Authenticator app. So I click on OK. I've added my Instagram account into my Google Authenticator app. Now I can use the Google Authenticator security code that generated to log into my app. I copy it, then I log into my Instagram account, then I paste it. I click on OK. This will confirm my login. This will turn on two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator app. Click on done. Now I've linked my Google Authenticator app to my Instagram accounts. Sign out from my phone. Come back to the web portal on my computer to access my accounts. I log it out. Log out from my phone. Click on log out to log out from my Instagram from my phone. On the web portal, enter my username and password. That's my Instagram username and password. And I click on next or login. Log into my Instagram account. Click on login. When I click on login, it will prompt me to verify my login using Google Authenticator app. So I open Google Authenticator app on my phone. Store it. I copy security code or 6-digit code, and I confirm my login on my Instagram web portal on my computer. I click on continue. Now, log into my Instagram